Howdy guys, Paul with you here today. We got a handful here. Serious matter. I've been saying it before. I'm going to say it again, guys. Inspect your stuff. This is a freaky one. Now, I ain't throwing shade on... Is it PJ? PJ. It's not a matter of PJ being a good or a bad company. This is not the matter. The matter is they're too much in a hurry. They're not torquing their wheel lug nuts and their U-bolts. That's the freaky part. The U-bolts were very loose on this. And I believe the guy told me on average about 5 full turns on a U-bolt. Yeah, I mean, I understand they yield and they stretch a little bit, but 5 full turns is a no-no. So for the new guys that are out there and they're buying new trailers, no, you're not good for the next year. You want a shop to inspect it, the shop you trust. All your lug nuts, your U-bolts, and your wheel bearings. Make sure they're adjusted properly and make sure they are greased properly, and then you're good to go. This trailer would not make a lot of miles down the road. Give it 1,000, maybe not even 1,000 miles, the axle would have went flying on this one. You could say lawsuits, you could say warranty, but I could say just skip that hassle. Get your stuff inspected and you're on your own. I like what they did here. You got these grease zerts and everything's good. Oh wow, I got you on this video. I might as well show you this. It's a unicorn for us. I mean, it's an oddball truck. All of our trucks that in the Washington area need 4-wheel drive. This one is 2-wheel drive. Most of the trucks that come through here are Aisin. This one's a Chrysler. It's a brand spanking new truck. 2020, good old truck. 1,300 miles on it, still smells new. Good old trusty plastic, you could always clean it up. As I said, it's a Chrysler tranny. Man, I love new trucks. They smell so good. Good old grease there. Somebody. Yep, no dipstick. Dipstick's right over there. That's the Chrysler tranny. But hey, I respect the guy for what he chose. I mean, if you ask me to take a wild stab at it, why he went this route, he's probably going to run spring, summer, fall, and say, I'm sitting at home in the winter. Y'all could drive in the snow. I'm out. Dual alternator. Cool little setup, man. It really is. I hope it serves him well. It's a nice truck. But yeah, dude, that trailer's freaky. That kind of crap happens in all brands, and it's not specifically PJ like I mentioned. Matter of fact, PJ, I like PJ. It's a pretty stout little trailer there. But always, guys, always inspect your U-bolts, always inspect your lug nuts, and be careful out there, all right? God bless you. Bye.